How to create image to video in Google AI Studio. Want to animate a still image into video? Let's use Google AI Studio step by step. So step 1, log into Google AI Studio with your Google account. The dashboard shows tools like text, image, and video generator. So in here, go ahead and upload your image. Use a high quality file like JPG or PNG. This will be the base for your animation. Now, craft a motion prompt. Be specific about subject, action, setting, style, and technical specs. So, for example, a golden retriever puppy running through a sunlit meadow. Cinematic 4K slow motion at 60 FPS. So make sure to choose the VEO4 model. It's designed for cinematic video. Now set video parameters, choose resolution, frame rate, and duration. Now click on this export button or generate button to start generating the video from there. And that is how to create image to video in Google AI Studio.